Hello, hello all. I'm going to teach you guys how to install the necessary programs we'll be using in the course. So the first step is that we're going to go to Google and we're going to search up free download manager. You're going to download this on your computer, as this is what will allow us to download the application on our computer. So if you're using Mac, click Mac. If you're using Windows, click Windows. Android, click Android. Linux, click Linux. So once you've done that, the next step is go to Google and search up 1337X, 1337X. And what you're going to do is you're going to search up the applications we're going to be using. So the first one we're going to be using is, which is a must, is Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator. Now the thing is, I'm using a Mac computer, so I'm going to put in the Mac. I'm going to put in Mac, and then I'm also going to try and look for the most recent file. So I want to have 2022 because that's the most recent year, and that's when I see pre-cracked Mac OS. I want to click on that. Once I click on that, you can see this tab right here, and what you're going to do is you're going to come here to Magnet Download, and once you're on Magnet Download, you're going to click. And then the file automatically goes to the free download manager. The link already goes there. So once the link has gone to the free download manager and it's installed, as you can see here, I have certain applications installing in the background, like After Effects and then so on. You want to come here and click on it, double click, and then once you double click, you're going to see setup. Okay, and then as well as the instructions. Okay, so once you see this right here, what you're going to do is you're going to come to setup, double click on the file right here. It may look a bit different because I'm using a Mac computer, and once you come here, you'll see anti-CC Illustrator installer, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on the installer. As you can see, it's opening. And now it should be installed on your computer. So now that you've done that, all you need to do is click on the install button, type in your passcode to your computer. Yeah, so once you type in the passcode, you will now see, if you go back to your applications, you should see it right here, Adobe Illustrator 2022. And just like that, you should have access to the file. So, but before you even get there, it's going to ask you to log in. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to bypass the login application because, as mentioned, we don't exactly have an account. So we're going to let it install. For me, it's not going ahead with the installation because I already have it downloaded. So once you do that, you should be able to, you should see the Illustrator file on your computer. So if I go here, Adobe Illustrator, boom, and I have it right here. And as you can see, if I go here to open, this is the logo I created for the course right here using Adobe Illustrator. So yeah, this is a very important tool. Let's say you want to make business cards for your business, you're an entrepreneur, and you want to design stuff for your business. Illustrator really is the app to be using. It's what can really take your stuff to the next level. Or let's say you want to design commercials and advertisements. As mentioned, this is what really will take your app to the next level, and you can really use these skills in the near future to take your skills as a whole to a higher level. And once you install it, you will also be tasked to do the same thing with installing Adobe Photoshop, as this is another important app in the course, as the ability to edit photos, as you can see here, I've used it quite a lot, is very pivotal. The ability to apply effects as well. So let's just look at this one right here. It's quite basic. See how I've applied an effect, a blurry effect on Louis Armstrong. it's just these little details that you can see here that just take the drawing to the next level. I mean, the work to the next level, or to the advertisement I created. As you can see here, how there's no color in the background, but there's like a blurry color on the people in emphasis, which is me and my friend. You can just see uh, the how the app as a whole can benefit your needs. So my job here is to educate you on what each tool is, and your job is to, um, after you watch the lesson, try to figure out how you can apply what you've learned in the lesson into your own personal goals. Um, that's my goal. I really hope I can help you guys with that. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can message me on WhatsApp, +1 240-789-8138, or you guys can go to my Facebook, my Gmail, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook are also there. So thank you.